Subscribe to my YouTube channel Neeru Tomar and press the bell icon to see all my latest videos first. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Winter means to fight against dry skin, and we should maintain our skin a lot. Scrubbing is very important during winter, and we need to hydrate our skin as well. Today I'm going to share a easy recipe of face scrubbing that will help to exfoliate dry skin cell and also provide a rich hydration to it. So let's get started. For this you will need rice flour, cocoa powder, honey, and lemon. Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, add half tablespoon of honey, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and lastly I'm adding few drops of lemon juice. And mix it well. And your face scrub is ready. Apply on your face and don't forget your neck area because that is equally important, so apply it and then gently scrub it. After scrubbing, leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash it off with normal water. And this scrub is very gentle for skin and deeply exfoliate my face without any sensitivity. It has smooth scrubbing particles that are good for all skin type. It's make your skin smoother, softer and healthier as well. I absolutely love this facial scrub and you should try it too. Use this scrub once a week or twice a week for best result.